Oh, man.
It's like the whole thing is a giant tribal tattoo.
It's like if those S's you drew in middle school f***ed a tribal tattoo. 1977 Chevy Suburban, $1,200, listed 2 weeks ago in Ann Kinney, Iowa. 150,000 miles, automatic transmission, 3/4 ton, 4x4 automatic factory, small block, 400, no title, parts vehicle. Miles unknown, ran great when parked 4 years ago, will not trade for items, cash only. If the post is up, it is still available. This is a pile of shit.
These Bourbons are beasts, dude, especially four-wheel drive.
Yeah, but this one's done.
This one's a piece of shit.
This one's on its way back to the earth. But I will agree, in their prime, these things are mint.
Yeah.
These are beasts, dude. I told y'all before about how when I was like riding my neighbor's four-wheeler and we got it stuck in the mud. And like, so I was like, oh, let's get your mom's 4Runner and pull it out. And the 4Runner got stuck. Okay, let me get it was a quad cab, which was really rare at the time. You know, it was a square body Chevy 4-wheel drive and that got stuck. And then the fucking big old 3/4 ton 4x4 Suburban pulled all of them out.
Sick.
It was based.
94 Cadillac Deville, 13 weeks ago, $1,800, new tires, new tags, clean tiles, super clean inside and out. Runs smooth and quiet, 25 highway, 19 city, 88,000 original miles, needs ride suspension serviced and AC recharged, and driver's side mirror is sun tinted. Original owner rarely drove, was completely stored. All original paperwork, including an original window sticker, service records, etc. This is an amazing vehicle. Asking $1,800, it's a low price for the car. Trades considered, RV, truck with tow hitch, see less. $1,800 for a car that needs its AC recharged and whatever the hell else he said that sounded pretty minor. New struts.
Suspension service.
But it's a DeVille.
That'd be air ride.
Yeah, I think that is an air ride.
Does that motherfucker have a North Star though?
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
What a piece of shit engine.
I say buy it. Here is something fucking awesome.
What the
Something.
Oh.
Mitsubishi, 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse.
Nocturnalcarclub.org. Go to that website.
Frank Walk.
Whoops.
Nocturnalcarclub.org. Let's go take a look.
So is that like Midnight Club, but for...
Oh, gee, who would have thunk it?
Yo, what?
The hood's got an overbite.
What is it?
It looks like one of those sharks that have the spike coming out of their head. Yo, look how lifted the fucking front end is.
Yes.
Well, he is off-road.
This has got to be air, right?
It's got to be bagged. It's got.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo. I see some nip, dog.
Yeah, it's air, dude.
Why are the gauges like that? Like,
What?
I'm driving. Oh, let me check my fucking boost, and I'm gonna fucking look under my armpit.
Family with the famous stars and straps F.
What the hell?
Let me check my 3-boobed instrument cluster.
Look at
God, this is wild.
Oh, I love it. He's got a costume-built Mitsubishi Eclipse.
So Grad in the YouTube says it's a picnic table hood.
it is. It seriously is.
Oh, so it's practical.
Please read ad first before contacting me. I have a costume-built Mitsubishi Eclipse. I got it on a trade. The car runs good with air ride. Too much money invested. Costume paint with murals. Nice wheel stereo system. I'm asking $9K OBO.
This goes hard, bro.
What? I wonder what he traded for that is really what I want to know.
I like how pronounced the nipples are on this hood art. Like, they really pop even from like 20 feet away.
That's how you do, man. It has a family out there too, like on the fucking right there.
Oh man,
it's like the whole thing is a giant tribal tattoo.
Yeah,
it's like that hood is the inspiration for the Three Wolf Moon.
It's like if those S's you drew in middle school a tribal tattoo. Now at collectorcarfeed.com/store for the first time ever, we have 2 beautiful black t-shirts up for pre-order. The octopus logo and KYS design are both available for pre-order through Friday, October 13th, only on collectorcarfeed.com/store. To spice up this initial t-shirt offering, I have a box of many nostalgic 20-year-old AutoZone dress-up aisle trinkets, including APC and street glow shift knobs, light up LED wiper nozzles, an LED muffler tip, red anodized pedals, and much more. I will be giving all of this bullshit away with randomly selected t-shirt orders. No purchase necessary. See site for details. Pre-order ends Friday, October 13th. Thank you for your patience and support. CollectorCarFeed.com/store. Here's an 04 Diablo built
for
on
$5,000, dude.
Title in my name, 2.7 Audi motor, Corvette C5 frame, Diablo nose, and Murcielago nose. Your choice. Needs assembly, 3 sets of multiple cells, wheels, Jada top engine cover, hidden information, or trade for 7.3 Ford truck or Volvo wagon 98 or older. I need my garage back. Over $15,000 invested.
This is
What
somebody
an
asked us
idiot.
earlier, like, should I buy a kit car? And this is what happens. You
Don't do it.
dump years of your life into it, more money than even the real car would be worth at its lowest point, and then you sell it on Facebook for nothing.
And
And no
also
one will
nobody
buy it.
buys it. Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it's a piece of shit.
18 weeks have gone by. Hey, yo.
Nice.
Cross
Yo.
cab.
Hey.
Nobody submitted this. I
Yo.
just clicked on it. We don't need to look at this.
But it's
I
a
just really
cab.
want one.
Dude, I unironically want one too, but they are way too
I
expensive
daily
for what they
this.
are.
But you need
You
it on
daily a
44s,
cross
though.
cab?
Yeah. I did
No
like cross cab
way.
on 26s for sure.
Yeah, all right. But,
Absolutely.
oh yeah,
St.
all
Louis.
right. No, if it was a donk cross cab, for sure.
You know where I live? That's how you get respect around here. You buy one of
It
these.
looks like a fucking amphibious landing vehicle.
Here's a Juke. Oh, here's where we came
This
in.
is a car.
The Juke R. The Batmobile
R.
Juke R.
The
Look at this.
Nismo Juke, not the Juke R. Two different
Oh,
cars.
excuse me, the Nissan Juke SV Sport Utility, $4,500, 6 days ago, Hotlanta, Georgia, 183,000 miles. This car runs and drives excellent, perfect engine and transmission, never been in an accident, backup camera, navigation system, 4,500 bones.
I want to see the Nism Juke.
And-
This is it, man.
The center console, they made it like
I-
a motorcycle.
I had a theory for the longest time about Jukes, and it was that when you went to the Nissan dealership and you were like, I want to buy a car, but I only want to pay this much money. They were like, well, we got the Juke.
That's
And
what
Like,
that's
that's
the
the
car
deal for
you
you.
Yeah,
Dude,
like-
I think Jukes, I still think Jukes are cool.
I never thought these were cool before, but now that we're years removed from them being new, I kind of like them. I don't know why that happens, but it does.
Dude,
Did you
it's
get
like,
these manual?
like I would, if it was manual, 100% I'd drive it daily and be fine
You
with
can't get a manual Juke. They do
yeah,
exist.
yeah, and then make the manual Nismos. Like,
Oh, yeah?
yeah,
I've
like this
this-
one.
I have a
Let's
story
see.
to
Is
tell with a Juke, but it can't make the video.
Damn.
what kind of dog is that? Look at his ass.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see the stick.
It's a stick.
Well, there you
There
go.
it is.
Damn.
That's a true
2013
stick shift.
Nissan Juke Nismo Sport Utility, $12,000, 16 weeks ago. Nobody wants these. LaGrange, Georgia. Do the riff real quick. For
Oh,
LaGrange.
ha, ha, ha.
Thank you. 2013 Juke Nismo with a Z. New fuel injectors, new coils, new turbo, new clutch, pressure plate throwout bearings, flywheel. Car runs and drives great. Cold air. I just serviced the AC system with new oil and Freon. 12K OBO. Make considered trades. What else is gonna break on this fucking thing before
Yeah,
he
how many,
sells
how many
it?
miles?
120,
How many
I
miles
think?
on this?
147,000.
Okay.
Well, so like
Yeah.
it doesn't have a CVT, so like this might
Yeah,
not be
and
a
that's
bad
that's
vehicle.
the biggest issue.
For 12 grand, that feels way high for
It
this.
does.
Yeah, I
12
wouldn't
grand
buy it
feels
for 12.
Stupid
What is
high.
D mode?
It's mode.
What is that?
You would hit that
for real.
no,
What
no.
does mode do?
No. You would hit that button and it would change it from eco to sport, and then the screen would change.
Yeah,
that little
it's
screen
driving
right there.
mode.
Yeah, it's driving
Mhm.
mode. Yes,
Okay.
it's drive mode.
Got it.
You
Got it.
either commuting or you're driving.
Well,
Let's
and
get
so
the
then
thing.
what you can't see too is those buttons down there. Those were like that's where like you can engage the all-wheel drive and like lock the diff and too. Go
Are these
back.
actually cool in
Wait, what?
disguise?
Yeah. No, they're
You can lock the diff on these?
yeah. They were
Nuh-uh.
we all right.
No way.
You gotta
Why?
promise
No
me
way.
you gotta promise me you edit out this part. But
I didn't know these things were based.
Yeah, they actually are.
they're not as based as you think they are, but like they're all right.
I don't think they're based at all. So I mean, any level of
No,
baseness.
they're
What was that dog's ass
no.
again?
They're more based than what you think.
But I mean, I just
Yeah.
appreciate when Nissan does goofy stuff like this because every about 10 years they come up with a car that makes absolutely zero sense. It's like, who would want to buy this? And then about 10 years after, you're like, oh, that was amazing. Remember that
No,
goofy
the
ass
thing
thing?
is, Nissan was too early with it. Nissan was ahead of their time with this. This is basically a fucking Honda HRV.
The CHR? The
CHR?
compact one, yeah, the compact gun, the C-Her. But no, I mean, so that's like, unironically, stuff from this era too that it's now kind of come into coolness is like the Element and the Cube.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the Element now. I did before though. It's always
No,
been a
I've
very
always
weird,
liked the
quirky
Element.
car.
Yeah.
I've never liked the Element, so
The Cube is like nobody wants.
You've never
cubes.
liked girls either, so
Damn, got his
Got him.
ass.
Damn.
I would take this over a Cube
Well, I mean, you could get the cubic hair with the cube, though.
The cubic hair.
The cube.
The
Wait,
thing
which
on the,
one?
are you talking about the thing on the dash? The little
Yeah,
mat?
the carpet. Yeah, the cubic hair.
Cubic hair. It's really good.
Which one was the hamsters? Oh, that was the soul.
That was
Soul.
the,
That's the Soul,
the Kia
yeah.
Soul.
Soul.
Yeah, the first gen. Oh my goodness.
Golf GTI 2010 Muy bueno de motor y transmisión. Stage 2
Con crackle tune.
El carro es muy rápido.
My car's super fast.
Ya, aquí estoy con crackle tune.
All right, but listen, as much as we bashed on VW, the plaid interior is kind of cool.
It's always cool.
Yeah, no, that plaid interior is
Always.
always sick.
I don't bash on VW. I like VW.
VW, but these seats,
fuck
though.
VW, but the
It's
seats,
the rest of
though.
us, so
The seats are dope as shit.
Oh, Ford
What?
Taurus, $500.
Taurus
Wait.
Ranchero.
The
Wait.
tornado in Joplin ripped the top off of this Ford, so you had to do this. Asking $500 or best offer. It does need to be worked on, and it sounds like it wants to start, but it won't turn over, and I just don't have time to mess with it. Joplin, Missouri. Here we go.
Oh my god.
I don't think
Is that,
anybody
is that
does.
like
get
a
that?
V8 logo blown up on the hood?
yeah, I was wondering the same.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's like the print
like
symbol,
a
just
rotary.
like described to somebody over the phone.
John, Nissan Suru es muy bueno.
Nissan Suru
Sí.
es muy
Es
bueno.
muy bueno.
Sí, es muy bueno.
Sí.
This is
'Cause
this
this-
is muy.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Imagine fucking those seats
Yo,
No.
yeah, okay.
right there, dude.
The crease.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Just
no,
imagine,
my-
dude.
Yeah, no, my eyes were
Jesus
magnetized right to it. Yeah, it's a very sexual car. I like it
Right
a
there,
lot.
dude.
Oh,
Look
in
at
between
that.
the cheeks here.
Look at that, dude. Yes.
Yo, Nick, you like some thick.
You're acting up, dog.
What a piece of shit. I can't even tell how that engine works. Go back to
Oh my
it.
lord.
Like, where the even are the
I was
cylinders?
gonna say, did you buy that from Harbor Freight or?
Is that a Predator?
So it's a Predator 212.
Yo,
Pontiac G5 race car.
it's like goth. What's that Porsche? The girl Porsche from Cars? Sally.
Sally or Stacy or something?
Yeah.
Sally McRide or something?
Is like the goth girl version of that.
Yeah, because she has the nose ring.
This
It's like
is
the
her
trailer
daughter.
park
Yeah.
princess version, yeah.
She has the septum.
2.2 Ecotech 5-speed manual transmission, lots of spare parts, and race wheels and tire. Excellent cage, well maintained, has new suspension in it, rust-free car, $3,500, serious inquiries only. That seems like a really good deal for a Lemons car, to be honest.
Imagine the.
No, we're not imagining shit on this. We're just gonna
No, move on.
Ask her if the
No.
race.
No,
No,
no.
Does,
Leave her alone.
does it come with a race suit? Don't watch it.
No.
Here's a Land Rover, $3,000, North Chicago, TVs in the headrests, 164K, mechanic special. It is electric P, runs and drives, custom paint job, custom headlights, no radio, rims not included.
Okay, so go back to that interior pic, not that one, but the other one. That one right there. It looks like when people like you ever seen those videos like where people like bend their hands backwards? That's what it looks like.
Okay.
The seat.
Yeah, I got you.
The driver's headrest there, like that doesn't seem
Yeah.
entirely
Yeah,
comfortable.
it's
Like
double
when people,
jointed.
yeah, like their fingers go backwards, and it's like, what the f is wrong with you?
yeah.
Oh, check engine light.
That joint sound good.
Sure.
That joint sound good,
And it doesn't look, it's not even badged with the supercharger on the
dude.
side.
It is fucking wrecked inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much was he asking? $3,000? Reasonable.
Oh shit.
Reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That ain't bad.
Yeah, but you gotta bring your own wheels because the rims ain't included.
Yeah.
The Nissan Murano wheels that are on there.
This is just a
What
picture
the
of a
fuck?
car. It's the lady.
Hell yeah.
This is a Schizo-mobile.
Oh, here it is. Sold 2000 Ford Mustang Coupe, $800, 9 weeks ago, Three Rivers, Michigan. 191,000 miles, automatic transmission. Shifter cable busted. Shifter only able to go one step, neutral or reverse.
Sick.
What do they put in
As
the water in Three
Some
Rivers?
thick ass paint.
God
They put that on with a
damn.
roller.
No, for real. That looks like a Rust-Oleum paint job. And like
No,
right over
and
the
then
duct
like
tape
the
too.
paint. Yeah, I was gonna say the
They
tape.
painted the tape.
Jesus.
Yeah, look at
They
that.
painted
Look at
the
that sphere.
tape, yes.
I mean, this is just here to die, so it's fine. And the f***ing hand turkeys all over it. There's fucking hand turkeys all over this thing.
Can we go to bed now? I'm tired.
Yeah, I think that is a good way to. Oh shit!
Yo,
There's more.
Ed Big Daddy Roth.
Yeah.
Do you want to look at the Big Daddy Roth, or do you want to go
Dude,
to bed?
Yo,
look
save
at
I
the
wanna go to
fucking.
bed.
Save this for
Go
the
back
Cards
to the
Against
roof,
Humanity.
and
Yeah,
there's
this is
skulls
Cards
in the
Against
roof.
Yeah.
This is bad.
Skulls and ball sacks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Based.
Yeah, what? Maybe it's supposed to be boobs.
It's spider eggs.
On that note, thanks everybody.
Yep, thanks for watching YouTube. Discord.gg/feed. I'm going to play that miniature golf game and go to bed. Good night.
Hell
Always
yeah.
forward, never straight.
Thank you for watching.
Later.
Sick.